Hey all, it's Harmon from Misfit Adventure, and we're going to continue our IKEMEN GO series. We're switching to Friday, because quite frankly, Friday Night Fight sounds a little more fun, and we have plenty of other platforms that we release on. So, for this has just been a question we've gotten over the slotting of characters. So let's just explore real quick how easy that is to do. All right, sorry, we are speeding through this a little bit. So okay, we quickly see that we have Guy first because in the previous video, that's where we put Guy in. But it's pretty easy to actually go ahead and change all this around. So let's go into select.def and see the result. Okay, so once again, go into data and then find select.def here in your data folder. All right, so I have opened it up already, but I'm under characters. So going down to about line 199. So as we can see here, we have random select and guy pots. Let's just do something really easy, and let's go ahead and copy that. And I am going to making sure those are on different lines. Now, as we go from here, why don't we just go ahead actually and separate one of our Kung Fu Man characters that come in default. All right. Honestly, it's that easy. You can just keep adding these characters, and IKEMEN GO will correspond with that. So it will reflect the amount of characters you have. Let's go ahead and pull up, and let's go back. I named this folder Test Man. If you're seeing that, it's just the IKEMEN GO build for 12 February, just so you're aware. All right, and we see here, we've got Guy added in here, and the random select is now first. Let's just make sure everything works real quick.
Round one, fight.
All right, there we go. It's that easy. You can change the slotting and order of all the characters you need through this way. Once again, as a reminder, always use IKEMEN GO Nightly. This is the IKEMEN GO Nightly build. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.